Hi, I'm gonna show you today how to install this beautiful camera and how it works Sprinter. I'm gonna first make sure I plug it and power it on so it will work right away. So this is your power plug right here. You plug it right here, and this is how you plug it in your lighter charger here, and it should go on right away. If not, you can switch it on from your power on and off, this one right here. I have to start the car for the charger to work, and it's working right now. And I'm just gonna go here. This is I have to start the car for the charger to work, and it's working right now. And I'm just gonna go here. This is plug unplug thing, like you can unplug it, plug it, this one, and just you can have the bed here on the window and install it here, and you can mount that whatever you want, the way you want it. It has actually triple cameras, so you can keep this camera outside or inside. So you have outside the camera, you have inside the camera. So here, these two cameras on me inside, on the side here, and one outside. And you can switch the display the way you want it. You can keep it on, out.
To show you all the ranges, show all the range.
It show all the range of here, all the corners. It's a 360 inside and outside. You can switch it and turn it right and left, whatever you want it. It has a memory card on it. You can save any video. Take the memory card, put it in your computer, save any video you want.
It will keep looping.
It will keep looping and overwrite if the card memory is full. It's a beautiful one. I like it. I definitely recommend it, and I'm gonna have it in my new car as my new camera. And there's two sides, so front camera inside and outside, and then rear camera for behind the car. You install it in the back, and when you back up, you also can see everything behind you, and even when you are driving, you can see behind you, in front of you, and inside the car. I highly recommend it. About this item, 4-channel 360 dash cam, the V7P LUS, the V7 Plus Mini dash cam will provide you with 150 times 4 super wide angle field of view. Super wide angle field of view, left and right cameras can be rotated to adjust the angle to ensure 360 all around protection, which offering 2 movie modes, 4K front, 1080p rear, or 2K front and 2560 rear, left and right. Loop recording and G sensor dash cam. 24-hour parking mode dash cam.